Transfer to the parallel universe is complete.
Oh, finally! My childhood dream came true!
Welcome to April 14th, 1912, sir.
I'm exploring the Titanic! Oh, my friends will be so jealous! Whoa! There's so much water in here! And it's cold!
Don't worry, your protective suit can withstand even the coldest weather.
Okay, I can't wait to explore everything around here, but I probably should go upstairs.
Wise decision, sir.
Oh man, just look at these amazing paintings! It's so sad to leave them underwater.
High-class craftsmen worked on this ship, sir. Unfortunately, its architect, Thomas Andrews, sank along with the rest of the 1,500 passengers.
Oh, that's so sad.
The Titanic had 10 decks in total. Move upstairs and you'll reach the first class.
What's this strange wind? Wait, is this a tornado? My history teacher hid this tiny detail.
We're in a parallel reality, sir. Here, the Titanic was destroyed by a super powerful tornado.
Ooh, what a twist! Whoa, it's much windier here.
I would suggest you run away, sir. The chances to survive such a tornado are extremely low.
Oh, okay. I think I'm done with this adventure. Can you take me home now?
No, sir. The time travel is preset. It cannot be changed.
Oh, stupid autopilot. But what am I gonna do? Whoa! I've never been inside a tornado. Cool!
I'm so glad you're happy, sir.
Whoa! Wow! Check this out! But what about the other passengers?
They were evacuated a long time ago. Don't worry, no one was hurt.
Oh well. Let's go home, buddy.
I'm starting the return procedure, sir. Get ready.
Oh! Well... Oh... Hello? Hello? Can anyone hear me? Hello? Okay, I gotta move to the land now. Oh, but the question still remains. The other passengers? Where are they? Am I stuck in the Langoliers movie? Is this a time loop? This wing almost crushed my head! I gotta swim just a little more. Oh, I can do it. Yes, I did it! But where am I? And where is everyone? Ah! Oh, my cat!
Hello, hello! Do you like to explore tornadoes? Welcome to our virtual simulation. Today, we'll show you the difference between just a big tornado and an epic tornado. Let's begin with EF0. This is what the weakest tornado looks like. The speed of its wind can be between 65 and 86 miles per hour. Usually, this gust leaves damaged roofs and messes after its visit. It can also break weak trees. And here's our next tornado, EF1. Its diameter can reach up to 112 feet, and the speed is estimated between 86 and 110 miles per hour. EF1 can cause moderate damage, such as tearing out doors and windows, stripping roofs, moving cars, and overturning mobile homes or greenhouses. EF2. This tornado type can cause significant damage. It's up to 394 feet in diameter. The wind speed is between 111 and 135 miles per hour. Such a powerful tornado can destroy low-rise buildings, as well as tear down a roof and damage the walls of a building.
Whoa!
Trailers and mobile homes have no chance. Tornado EF3. Its speed varies from 136 to 165 miles per hour. The diameter is up to 787 feet. It can overturn a whole train, destroy large houses, and even high-rise buildings. By the way, don't worry about this farm. There's nobody here. It's just a simulation, remember? EF3 can uproot trees or leave them standing with no branches. The wind easily blows away lighter buildings and cars and brings them to significant distances. And now, say hello to EF4. Its diameter can reach up to 1,969 feet. And the speed of the wind is about 166 to 200 miles per hour.
Hey, Eva, get into the car!
Whoa! Here we go!
EF4 can destroy and blow away a small town. Cars, kiosks, and towers that get in their way have no chance of being repaired.
Ah!
Whoa! Was that a cow?
Yeah! Poor thing!
Hold on!
Ah!
And last but not least, EF5. It can reach 3,281 feet in diameter. The speed can grow over 200 miles per hour. EF5 brings enormous damage. Usually, there's nothing to see in the impact area because nothing is there. The wind can lift houses off foundations and carry them over considerable distances. Cars and trucks are crushed and carried several miles away from the parking lot. So it's better not to joke around tornadoes. Now you know why.
Did you see that? That was so epic!
Let's say you're driving home, but suddenly a huge tornado blocks your way. Don't try to overtake it to run away. The best solution is to turn around and go the other way. But sometimes it's impossible to do so. Welcome to the virtual survival course. Oh no! You should leave the car running so the airbags still work. And keep your seatbelt on. Don't forget to close all the windows. We don't want the wind to get in. Great! Now get down below the windows and cover your head with your hands, blanket, coat, or pillow if available. The chances of surviving inside the car are low, but you don't have a better choice. It's too late and nowhere to run, so get ready. Use your feet and muscles to fix your body in one position inside the car. That awkward moment when you can't get away with crashing a police car. Extra protection, just in time. The weather is getting better. It might seem tempting to seek shelter under an overpass or a bridge, but it's even more dangerous. Tornado winds pick up under these structures, so you would face more debris. Also, you could be blown out and carried by the winds. Surviving that kind of adventure is great luck, so avoid repeating this in real life.